Hi, my name is Kathy. Today I'm going to show you how to mount and run the E-Z Winder unwinder. It's important that when you get it, it's up against the edge of the table, it's hanging off the table, the front of it's hanging off the table, and the C-clamps, which you get 2 of them, are securing it to the table, and that's really important that it's as tight as it possibly can. You don't want this flopping around on you, so make sure it's really secure. Once you've done that, you take your dirty towel, give yourself a couple of feet, run it through the center of the rods. Okay. Put your bar back down on it, and then you're going to start unwinding the roll of dirty towels. And you just want to make sure that it's about 2 foot on each side, unwinding it. And then when you take it off, you're going to put your bands on it, throw it in the wash, and then you're going to dry it. And then you're going to bring it back here to wind it. I just finished unrolling it, so now I just want to show you how to band it. Basically, if the longer you make it, maybe 4 or 5 foot long, the better you are. It's not as thick. You would just take your tie-ups, go around, and close it. And do the same at the other end. Throw it in the wash, and after it's dry, we'll do the next step. I'm going to show you now how to wind it up. After you've washed it and dried it, you're going to take your rubber bands off. And if it's crinkled up a little bit, just unwind it a little bit to make it nice and even as possible. You don't want to turn your towels too much around. You're going to feed it over, under, over, under. There's a guide right here, a paper guide that's pretty simple to do. Then you're going to take your metal roller and just wind it a few times around. And then you're going to start rolling. And as you roll, you move out any kinks that you find. And you can see it's doing a nice tight roll. You keep doing that until you get to the end. Alright, you keep winding until you get right to the end. And you can see it's a nice tight roll. You can't get it this tight by doing it by hand. And just take the roll out. Remove the pipe, and you're done. You're ready to put it back in your cabinet.